This video will explain everything you need to know about the Lolli tests as from January 2022. Find out how you will receive the results of the Lolli pool tests. Learn how to check your child's individual PCR result online in case of a positive result within the pool. In school, both a pool PCR sample and an individual PCR sample of your child are taken and sent to the laboratory. You will be notified of a positive pool by 9:30 p.m. on the test day using the contact data you have issued. It is therefore mandatory to inform the school at once of any changes to your contact details. Otherwise, the result cannot be submitted. Please note that you will not be informed in case of a negative pool. Should the pool of your child's class be positive, then the individual PCR samples of that class are tested. Once the individual result of your child is ready, you will receive a second notification and can download the test result from the latest 6 a.m. the following day. For this, click onto the link with the notification, or if that is not possible, input the complete URL including your 32-character long GUID combination into your browser. This will open the website mind-laboratorynis.de. Please input the date of birth of your child and click onto Bestätigen, confirm. The PDF of the test result is now ready for download. If your child's test is positive, you must ensure that your child avoids any contact with other persons. Your responsible local health office will also be notified of positive results and will get in touch with you automatically. Only children with a negative individual PCR test result are allowed in class. Please ensure that your child carries the confirmation of the negative result. The school is also informed from 6:30 a.m. onwards of the individual PCR results of a positive pool test and can therefore ensure that only children with a negative result participate in class. If you have any questions, please contact the class teacher or the school corona coordinator. Thank you for your attention. Stay safe.